sucks. Alright people, we've got another one. I hope you're doing well out there, by the way.
Samsung Galaxy S9 on the S9 Plus 220 plus, no pun intended, tips and tricks. Just bear this in mind. This is the most comprehensive tips and tricks you're gonna get on YouTube, period. Okay? This is going to help you all not to be going left and center searching, the how to use your device or how to get the most out of your device. And another thing is, just bear this in mind, this is directly from the source, okay? This is your manual, all right? The one that comes with your device. I just rendered it and made it more, readable, and more reader friendly, and more comprehensive. So just get this straight. This is totally gonna help you out. All right. If it's your first time out here, make sure to sub to the channel, like the video, share it if it's any useful to you. Don't forget to turn on your notification because you don't want to be missing out. All right. It's a watch and learn video, by the way. So what I would like you to do is to watch and learn. Okay. I'm not gonna be talking over the whole video. So from now on, I'm just gonna let you guys enjoy yourself and learn your tips and tricks. And I hope this is gonna be helpful. But if you still have any question, just post them right down below. Make sure that your questions are smart questions. And don't you want to be funny with your questions? Because you will be banned. That's what we do out here. Other than that, let's get down to business. Let's do it, people. Let's do it. I'll catch you right towards the end. Yeah. If the video is too fast for you, just pause, slow it down, do as you please, all right? So ladies and gents, boys and girls, we're pretty much at the end of this video. And I hope this was, more than useful. Okay? And if so, if you did find the video interesting, make sure to share it. Talk to your friend and your mates about what we do all here. We love you all here and we love your support. Thumbs up the video. Do the right thing. And if you don't like it, then boy, keep your finger to yourselves. Watch it. So let us know what you think about this kind of video. Thanks for watching. We shall surely see you on the next one. Make sure to keep it lit. Keep it safe out there. We love you all here and we love your support. Peace out. Let's do it.